Struggling with nursing biochemistry? This quick breakdown will make it finally click. Here's the plan. By the end, you'll know what biochemistry is, why it matters, and how it connects to labs, meds, and bedside decisions. We'll lock in 4 pillars: biomolecules, metabolism, acid-base, and clinical tie-ins. First, what is biochemistry? Think of it as the body's chemical rulebook. Every symptom you assess, every med you hang, and every lab you read is chemistry in action. Understand the chemistry, and you'll stop guessing and start predicting. That's the difference between memorizing and mastering. Lock down the 4 big biomolecules with one trick. CLPN. Can lipids please never? C is carbohydrates, your fast fuel. L is lipids, energy storage, hormones, and the bricks of cell membranes. P is proteins, which build tissue and act as enzymes. N is nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, the recipes that tell cells what to make. C low albumin? Protein problem. Counseling on cholesterol? Lipids. Hypoglycemic patient crashing? A carbohydrate problem. Now enzymes and metabolism. Enzymes are protein helpers that make reactions go from eventually to right now, and they're sensitive to pH and temperature. Your mnemonic is key. Catabolism tears. Apart the building to release energy like burning glycogen or fat. Anabolism adds to the building, repairing tissue and making proteins. Septic patient? Catabolic burning glucose and muscle fast. Post-op? Push protein for anabolism and wound healing. Acid base is huge for nursing judgment. For interpretation, use Rome. Respiratory opposite, metabolic equal. If pH is low and CO2 is high, that's respiratory acidosis. If pH and HCO3 move the same way, it's metabolic. Tie it to causes. Vomiting or NG suction means metabolic alkalosis from lost acid. Diarrhea or renal failure means metabolic acidosis. DKA has acidosis right in the name. Watch for Kussmaul breathing as the body blows off CO2 to compensate. Now the bedside. Labs first. Carbs show up as glucose and HbA1c. Lipids show in the lipid panel, LDL, HDL, triglycerides. Proteins appear as albumin. Low protein predicts poor healing. Electrolytes on the BMP tell you about fluid shifts and acid-base trends. Here's the pearl. If the number doesn't match the patient, reassess the patient first, not just the monitor. Meds are pure biochemistry. Many drugs are protein-bound and liver metabolized. Low albumin means more free drug and stronger effects. A damaged liver clears drugs slower, raising toxicity risk. That's why you check LFTs with statins and hold metformin around contrast. Link the med to the molecule. Vitamins A, D, E, K need fat to absorb, and insulin moves glucose and potassium into cells. Nutrition is your daily biochem consult. Proteins build enzymes and repair tissue. Carbs fuel the brain. Too little, hypoglycemia. Too much, long-term damage. Lipids support hormones, but type matters. HDL happy, LDL lousy. Micronutrients are cofactors. Iron for hemoglobin, vitamin C for healing. Wound care patient, boost protein and vitamin C for anabolism. Let's make it stick. A post-op patient on continuous NG suction shows rising bicarb and growing confusion. Use Rome. Bicarb up, pH up. That's metabolic alkalosis from lost stomach acid. Expect hypoventilation and possible low potassium. Your move? Clarify the suction order, correct electrolytes, and monitor ABGs. Another one. A DKA patient arrives with deep Kussmaul breaths, fruity breath, and high glucose. Catabolism is raging. Fat breakdown pours out ketones, dropping pH into metabolic acidosis. Priorities: fluids, insulin, and electrolyte monitoring, especially potassium, since insulin shifts K+ into cells and can crash serum levels. Rapid recap. CLPN for biomolecules. Kiab for metabolism. Catabolism tears apart, anabolism adds. Rome for acid-base. Respiratory opposite, metabolic equal. Labs, meds, and nutrition are where biochemistry meets your nursing decisions. Your turn. Pick one patient or case and label which pathway is off: carb, lipid, protein, or acid base. Then decide catabolic or anabolic, and choose one intervention that supports balance. Do that in 30 seconds, and biochemistry becomes your superpower. You've got this. If this helped, hit like, drop your best memory trick in the comments, and subscribe so more nursing basics click fast.